how to use Keyframe in CapCut PC. So if you want to use Keyframe in CapCut PC, then first open up your CapCut application. Once you open, you just need to simply go for create project, and you need to go for import and import any one of your videos that you are comfortable with. So I'll be choosing image, or you can also choose a video. So once you've chosen, now you need to simply drag and drop that image or video on the bottom side. And once you're here, what you need to do is simply select the video. Once you've selected, now select the part of the video in which you would like to add the keyframe. So I'll be adding my keyframe under this part. So what you need to do is simply go for the video option, which is right here on the upper side. And you just need to simply go for the option which is right beside the scale. So click on it and your keyframe has been added. So you can again go and drag that or point your cursor to the another place and you can add a keyframe right here. Again, go for the keyframe and add the keyframe. So that's how you can add keyframes on your CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.